ultrasonic welding. Ultrasonic welding is a welding technique where a solid-state weld is created by high-frequency ultrasonic acoustic vibrations on the workpieces held together under pressure. Ultrasonic welding is basically carried out to join two plastic workpieces. For this, let's consider the welding setup as: connect the setup with the electric power supply and place two plastic workpieces on the anvil and below welding setup at its right angles. Now let's understand how the welding process is carried out. First, switch on the electric power supply. We see that transducer attached to the electric power supply changes the electric signal to the mechanical vibrations. These vibrations are then transmitted to the converter, booster and horn. All of these then work together, due to which the horn oscillates after receiving the vibration. Now bring the horn in contact with the upper plastic workpiece. We see that the vibrating and oscillating horn applies a pressure on the workpiece, which is held tightly by the anvil. Now apply this pressure for a fixed amount of time, which is called as weld time. Due to pressure, a frictional heat is developed between the plastic workpieces. Hence, the plastic of workpieces present at the interface area melts and flows into each other. Now hold the horn for some time over the workpieces so that proper fusing of melted plastic takes place. This time period is called hold time. Now once the melted plastic solidifies, remove the horn over the workpieces. Thus we get the welded workpieces as ultrasonic weld. Some of the examples of ultrasonic welding. Related terms are